los envidiosos siempre a las espaldas, porque frente a frente hasta me saludó.
Good morning, everybody. Today I am super excited because I'm taking you with me on an adventure. So today we are going to go to La Isla de Venados, Bird Island. Here, my friend is laughing at me. Bird Island here in Mazatlán. This is a protected island. You can only access there via kayak or barca, boats, those small little boats. So I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. It is 9 a.m. right now. I am with two friends. And we're gonna cross over and I'm gonna show you how it's beautiful behind me. Look at this. What? We're going over there. So let's go. It's super hot. I have this because I wanted to protect myself against the sun. So here's my friend over there. Hola. So first thing, you get on the boat. The boat costs 150 pesos one way, so 300 pesos round trip. And we also booked umbrella, which we paid 350 pesos, so it's about $17 US, so we can have that. And the guy is handing me the jacket. Muchas gracias. Hola. And so then we're gonna go on the boats and I will show you more, obviously. Okay, so now we're going on the boat and it's waiting for us. This is the boat that's gonna go right now.
Para los que no creyeron, miren dónde estoy. Los envidiosos siempre a las espaldas, porque frente a frente hasta me saludó. ¿Quién que se metió? Trae casa y carro nuevo, hasta con un pacón. Morrillo tonto, alucinado, dijo el vecino que ya se asomó. Pero mi Dios es grande, ayude a mis padres y soy muy fuerte para su regañar.
Okay, we just got out of the boat and it took about 5 minutes, really. But what I wanted to tell you is that it's better to come on the weekdays. There's no one here and it was super fast. And also it's good to come in the morning. So it's 9 a.m. and so there's almost nobody on the island. A few things you need to know. This is a protected island, mainly because there's so many different species of birds. If you come here, please respect the local place. Do not leave trash. Have a good time. You can go kayaking. There's some kayaks over there. Have your lunch. Make sure you take your trash with you when you go back and have a good time. So let's go explore the island. It's a beautiful day. I gotta tell you something. It is really cool to be here because we ride across from the Malecón in still Mazatlán, but it's so much more peaceful. Behind me, you can go walk. There's like, you know, you can do a little bit of a hike and then you can just relax and it's so peaceful, so clean. The water is clear. We are going to jet ski here and we negotiated for half hour for 1,400 pesos, which is about 70 bucks. And so here it's Mexico, you have to negotiate with people. It's a slow day today, but also only cash or transferencia, which is bank transfer from a Mexican bank account. These are the things you want to know if you want to do some activities. So obviously we're on an island by ourselves, casi. So there's no ATM, no machines, no nothing. So you got to bring your food, your drinks, and make sure you take all your trash back with you on the other side. Okay, everybody, we are on a jet ski. It's awesome. Look at this. And I am having a blast. I'm putting the music super loud and I'm enjoying myself. Highly, highly, highly recommend. This is so cool. I saw fishes jumping out of water. I saw so many things. This is so incredible. It reminds me of the day when I did this on Star Island, Miami. Woo, this is so much fun. So much fun. Me gustaría platicarlo de manera diferente. Lo que digo es lo que siento con respeto pa' mi gente. En la vida nada es fácil, hay que saber tener la mente. Respeto al que me respeta, no soy de andar de corriente. Conóceme bien. more thing I want to share with you. You can actually take a hike, and it's so beautiful. This is a whole island. Take your sneakers because there's a lot of rocks like this, and you can hike here as usual. You know, there are a lot of endangered species, so you want to be careful and to not disturb their natural habitat. But it is really cool that you get to swim but also hike, and that's something that I really missed when I was you know, on the other side. So look at this, how beautiful this is. It reminds me a bit of Arizona. So you can hike here. There's like a little trail you can follow. Just be very careful of the cacti and also mosquitoes, and also glasses, because there's a lot of people who left glass bottles, so you definitely need to come with sneakers. Woo. Mi velo. Okay. So we had to turn around because my friend who's from here said it's better to turn around, because what just happened is we saw a big spider, and because it was raining recently, we're in the middle of summer and it's so humid. You see how it's very, very hot. It's better not to risk it because it's kind of slippery, and honestly I don't need to get bitten or have an accident. Look at the cacti, you can get easily poked if you don't pay attention. Oh, look at the spider right there. I don't know if you can see it. ¿Ese venimuna? Venena?
No.
Much better now that we got by the ocean. But anyways, so he suggested to come back in the winter when there's not that many insects and animals, and then where the path is clearer, because it was really difficult and it's freaking hot once you're inside. So, but it's still super worth it to do. I am tired. The heat here is no joke. But now I'm gonna go back in the water because it's just so beautiful here. Look at this. Honestly, the water is much better on this side than the other side. I know you can't really hear me because they play music right there and they play music right there, so it's difficult, but I just wanted to show you the water because I've been swimming and it's really nice. The water is like nice. All right, so I made a huge mistake. I thought we were in Isla de Pájaro, but Isla de Pájaro is actually the next one over, which you actually cannot go. This is Isla de Venados. Okay, so if we come back, we're gonna take this number. Sí, video. Bueno, gracias. Sí. Bye. What a day. So I'm sorry I got the wrong formation. I said Isla de Pájaro, but that was Venados. Apparently Pájaro is that one behind me and there's no access to it. But we had an amazing day. I'm here with my friends. Say hello. Hello. And we had an amazing day, so I highly recommend to do this if you come back to Mazatlán. Bye!